Hello, welcome back. Before we move to the next video where we are going to complete our box game, we are quickly going to talk about sound in this video. So sound is a very simple topic in Scratch, and as you can see, we have just few blocks right here. So I'm going to drag in an event, and the first block we are going to explore is play sound until done, because we can change this to any sound we want. So if I click here, I'm going to make the cat sound. So if I go to sound, I'm going to see all the sounds that are available, and I can decide to click on choose a sound, and we can take this trumpet for example, and now we have a second sound. So if I go back to my code, I can decide to change this meow cat sound to a trumpet. So if I click on the flag, you get a trumpet. If I go back to sound, let's say we want a custom sound, we can simply click on this microphone icon to record. For example, I can click record, and whatever I'm saying right now is being recorded. So I'm going to stop and save the recording. So it's called recording 1, so let's call it custom sound. Now I can play it right here, code, and whatever I'm saying right now is being recorded. So you can hear it. If I go back to my code, I can decide to now choose that as one of our sounds. If I click code, and whatever I'm saying right now is being recorded. So it's playing. Now we have stop all sound that is going to stop all the sound. I'm not going to be bringing in all the blocks. Then we have this change pitch, which is the highness and lowness of a sound, and we can clear all sound effects. So we can add pitch effects, we can set pitch. So let's do something. Let's say set pitch to 10, and because I want it to be very obvious, I'm going to use the cat sound. Let's do 100 and let's see the difference. So you see it becomes more tiny. The higher the pitch, the lower the sound. Then the lower the pitch, the higher the sound. So we can just set the pitch effect to how we want it. You can explore with all these blocks, and we can also change the volume. So let's do something. Let's set the volume to, let's say 10, and you see that the loudness of the sound is going to be alright. So if we do 50, so it's a little bit higher, and then we can just set volume to 100, and I'm actually doing change. You want to use change when you are using a loop, right? So probably we should do set, not change. Let's set it to, let's say 10, and if I do that, so you see it's very low. And if I do, let's say 80, it's now high. You can also check this block here to see the volume level, and we can clear all sound effects. We can change volume if we want to add some kind of lowness to our sound. We can just do that using a loop. And there's this event I want to show you here that says when loudness is greater than 10. So you can explore these blocks for yourself and just see how it works. But we are going to see a lot more about sound in action. Not really a lot more, just the basic things we need to do with sound to make our game more realistic. So I'll catch you in the next video. Bye.